Hey friends, this is Neha Ranglani, your nutrition and lifestyle educator, and we are back with another episode of Quiche, where I show you some simple, quick, and healthy recipes. And as you all know, wherever I travel, I try to bring some healthy and easy recipes for you. And today I am at the Meridian of Paro, Bhutan, and I am with Vikas, who is a drinks expert. Thank you, Vikas, for being on my episode. So tell me, what are we going to be making today?
Today we're gonna make apple cinnamon tea.
Apple cinnamon tea. Wow, now that sounds really interesting. So, what is the benefit of this tea?
Actually, it helps with the altitude sickness. It cures cough and cold.
Okay, it helps in cough and cold, altitude sickness, and I'm sure it also helps to improve immunity.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see how we make this tea.
So now we're gonna add 2-3 sticks of cinnamon
Okay, 2-3 sticks of whole cinnamon
and
And-
little bit of cinnamon powder
and little bit of cinnamon powder. So why are we adding both?
to give strong flavor, ma'am.
Okay, so to
Cinnamon
give a
powder.
strong flavor of cinnamon, I think since it's apple cinnamon tea, so we need to have that good flavor of cinnamon.
3-4 clove, ma'am.
Okay, and we're adding about 3-4 cloves. Now I think these ingredients are super for hormonal imbalances and weight loss and for overall health.
Now we're gonna boil for a little bit
Okay, we're going to boil this. Okay,
to extract the flavor of cinnamon and clove.
super. For 2-3 minutes is good? Boiling
Yes,
it for
ma'am.
about 2-3 minutes? Okay.
Now we're gonna strain.
Okay, we're going to strain this. And then
We need to add little bit of fresh lime juice
okay, we're going to add fresh lime juice, about
to balance.
About 1
sweetness.
teaspoon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and that we are making for 2 glasses.
Yes.
Okay. And then shall I pass you the apple juice?
So it's fresh apple juice.
Okay, we're adding fresh apple juice, not tinned, not canned. This is the juice from fresh apples. So now Bhutan is really famous for its apples, and then what better than having an apple cinnamon tea in the place which has the best apples?
Now we're gonna double strain this one.
Okay, we're going to double strain this so that we get a clear, pretty golden looking apple cinnamon tea. Wow, and this looks and smells really delicious. So here is the apple cinnamon tea ready, which is so simple and easy to make, and I'm going to taste this. Cheers. Wow, this is refreshing, has a very nice flavor of cinnamon, and it's mildly sweet. So in case if you want to sweeten it a bit more, you can add jaggery or honey, no sugar of course. So thank you Vikas once again for showing me this recipe. And friends, as usual, if you've liked this recipe, do give it a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends and family. Do try it out and let me know in the comments below how did it turn out to be, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos right into your inbox. Till then, enjoy this apple cinnamon